Your success depends on getting the best performance, reliability, and efficiency from your equipment. You're often being asked to do more with less, and to above all, do it safely. Today's technologies are helping to make those things possible. When combined with a team that has years of experience in the mechanics of industrial equipment, troubleshooting, diagnostics, and monitoring, facilities are able to maximize output and profitability. As an example, this quarry was spending a lot of time manually monitoring the dewatering system to prevent pump failures and flooding from intermittently rising floodwaters. As part of the risk mitigation planning, Perceptive Technologies deployed a cost-effective solution to address the problem, continuously monitoring and analyzing pump performance, motor health, supply power, phase condition, water levels, and connectivity.
24-hour, 7 days a week monitoring definitely helps with keeping an eye on the production and making you immediately aware of any issues. We chose Regal. Regal is very innovative. They have the engineering backing to build the product that we are after. We're gaining production due to less downtime when we do have issues with pump power, supply power, or water levels. We are interested in installing this pump monitoring system on other pumping locations.
Perceptive Technologies offers advanced services for machinery diagnostics to solve difficult challenges. In this rotary kiln application, the customer recently experienced 2 serious failures of the motor shaft when the previously installed fluid drive was replaced with a VFD for better speed control.
We contacted Regal, and Regal, upon explaining the situation, said they could help us with this by putting a strain gauge on our shaft and seeing what kind of torsional vibration that we was having. With Regal's help, we determined that we was needing another coupling or something else to dampen this torsional vibration. If we continued at the rate we was going to do, we was going to break another shaft.
To solve the problem, Perceptive Technologies performed a torsional vibration analysis, which allowed for mechanical tuning of the drivetrain using a Copflex Max-C coupling to avoid harmful resonance conditions which were failing the motor shafts.
Changing the coupling dampened the vibration, which allowed us to run the fan on a VFD without any problems. The one thing that set Regal apart is the fact that they could break it down into layman's terms on what we was having. They could explain to the plant personnel and made them feel comfortable in what they was doing and why it would make it better. So when it's easy to talk to someone like that, your confidence is built in the company that they represent.
Complemented by Regal's extensive product portfolio, we provide more than data. As a manufacturer of industrial power transmission components, we also use these technologies to keep on top of our production assets. For this metal forming application, we utilize continuous online monitoring of several key parameters so that we can perform maintenance only when the condition warrants it. That eliminates unnecessary shutdowns and minimizes unnecessary safety risks. Our Perceptive Technologies products and services have been successfully implemented in a variety of industries. And although the applications may be different and each customer is unique, our solutions are flexible and adaptable to each situation. We understand your company expects more from you. We can help you get more out of your equipment. Let us know how we can help your facility with solutions that best fit your needs and ultimately do more with less.